Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. It's that time of month again, the last Sunday of the month, and it's time for the monthly Mojo tag. This month, the three prompts are printed papers, die cuts, and some words. So you only have the three things to put on your tag: the printed paper, the die cuts, and some words. So I'm using one of the printed papers. I'm using some of the printed papers from this Tim Holtz ideology papers, and these are the worn paper scraps, so I'm using those. I'm using the die cuts that looks like I cut it out, it looks like a pair of scissors, some thread, a thimble, and I'm using the words, "When life gives you scraps, make a quilt." And so that's what I'm going to try to make on my tag, a quilt. So let's get started. So I've already put some paper on top of my tag, and we're hoping that this month my glue works. So I cut all of these. I cut out a whole bunch of these paper, and I cut out the papers in little strips, and I'm going to put them on my tag like you would, like you would have a quilt, and see how that works out. See how that works out, like you would have a quilt. So I'm going to put this here, like a quilt, like you would have, you know how to quilt, you have little patches and things. And these were cut out using a Tim Holtz die. Let me see if I can find my die, if I still have it out, because I've been trying to be good at putting things up and making sure I put things up so I wouldn't have everything all around. I don't think I still have that Tim Holtz die out that I cut this from. Well, I don't think I still have it out, but I cut it out using a Tim Holtz die, these things. So I guess these are die cuts too. My printed papers are die cuts too. So I have these. So put these down here like that. I'm having a lot of fun with these tags, making these Mojo tag things, making the tags. They kind of make me think about what I have to, what I have to do to use the three prompts, and kind of play around with it a little bit and have a little fun with it. So I'm enjoying it. Hope you're enjoying it too. And if you haven't joined me already making my monthly, I'm gonna do it for, about maybe a few more months. Let's see, we've done 2 months already. Maybe about 4 or 5, for about 6 months, I think I'll do it. And then that'll be the end of the monthly Mojo. My friend said she's going to join me this month, so that'll be nice if she joins and posts her tag. Now, if you decide to join the monthly Mojo tags, hashtag your creation monthly Mojo tag so I can find it and look at it and comment. Okay, so I think I want to put this border right there with my scissors. Okay, I want to put a border on it. So I want to do that like that, because quilts usually, I think quilts usually have some kind of border around it. So I want to put a little border there. And they don't take very long to make, so, and they do keep your creativity going. They really do, because you got to think a little bit about what you want to do with it. Oops, I don't like the bottom one. And so then in the middle, they always have something in the middle of the quilt, like that. So I put that in the middle. Like, you know, they always have something in the middle of the quilt. I want to put my thread thing down. I like this die cut that looks like a needle on a thread. So I like that. I like how that, hope it fits on there. Like that. You know, I got this Barely Art Glue. I got this Barely Art Glue, Precision Craft Glue for my birthday. And I haven't decided if I like it or not. That it's kind of, doesn't, I don't know, I got to get used to it. I know I'm used to using art glitter glue, so I got to get used to using that. And then I think I'll put that down there. When life gives you scraps, make a quilt. So I'm hoping it kind of looks like a quilt. And the scissors can do this because I put a little brad in it, so that's pretty cool. So I put a little brad in it. So I like that die that does this. I got it on AliExpress, the die. I think I got it from I might have got it from KS Crafts, I think. I think I got it from KS Crafts on AliExpress. Okay, I think I'll put it right there. And I wanted to put a piece of cloth in it so it can look like it's cutting it. I think I want to cut it down some so I can do like that. So you can see the scissors. And then I can glue the scissors down. And I can glue the scissors down. Like that. And glue that down. Like that. And then put my thimble there. Put my thimble right there. And you know what I forgot to do when I was picking out all my stuff? I forgot to get, oh, no, here it is. I did get some. I'm going to use this yarn that matches the thread. Put it through there. Like that. And then just pull it through. Cut it off some. And there you have it. And there it is. My tag for the month, my monthly Mojo tag. And the tag says, and that's the tag, for the month, for this month, you gotta have printed paper. So I got printed papers, die cuts, those are my die cuts. And then the words, those are my words. So what I tried to do is make it look like it was a quilt, and like I was creating a quilt or something. And that's my tag. So thank you for joining me this month. Please make your tag, hashtag monthly Mojo tag. If you put it on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, and I'll be looking for your tag. Thank you for joining me. Be the reason somebody smiles. And thank you, everybody, and all my subscribers, and thank everybody. And I'll talk to you all soon. I am just so excited about this tag. I think it's so cute. I think it came out so cute. Hope you can see it really good. Let me move this down a little bit. There it is, my tag. Thanks, everybody. Bye.